Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. It was obviously I try to make an update on Luna Classic every weekend, so here it is. It was also requested by some of you, so I just wanted to spend some time on it. I mean, it has obviously lost quite a lot of momentum, and quite a lot of its bullish market structure has now been diminished. You can see that right here as well. Like the open interest still, like on the 16th of November, for example, still went up quite a bit. But overall, in the last week, it's been a downtrend. All right, in the last day, we see some growth right now. So there's definitely, I mean, first of all, I mean, there definitely is potential for Luna Classic. We should still this year hear a little bit more about some sort of USTC Luna Classic news, I think. And apart from that, I mean, we have seen a lot of bullish momentum for it in the last weeks. So there's definitely a possibility here. But if you take a look at the market structure right now, it's just like this is no longer a bullish flag. All right, this is just a correction, a small downtrend. You can see that everything is moving down. I mean, the lows are getting lower and the highs are getting lower. So Luna Classic right now on the short term is bearish. Now, like I said, that isn't the end of the world. I mean, the open interest right now compared to 2 weeks ago, the start of November, when the price was down here, is still very high. So Luna Classic, if you compare it to 2 weeks ago, is still actually quite bullish. The thing though is that it needs more momentum. The open interest right now is growing, which is great, but it's gone up from 16 to 17. All right, so that's an increase of not even 10%. That's not enough. All right, it needs to increase, like if you, maybe this is easier for you to track, but the volume right now is around $26 million, $23 million even. Like that needs to be at least at 50 in order to get a bullish breakout. Otherwise, I think it's actually more likely that Luna Classic will either, and that depends on Bitcoin, but will either drop down towards this next support level at 7,000 or just continue to consolidate here until it gets momentum. Because at this moment, I must be honest, I always try to be, but I must be honest that at this moment, there's no indication for momentum. All right, because if there was, for example, if the open interest actually keeps growing like this, then there's potential that Luna Classic gets a bullish breakout above 8,100. That's the main resistance. And if it does that, it will at least rally up to 8,800 and 9,000. And it is actually fairly bullish again then. So this is the main opportunity I see for Luna Classic, but it doesn't seem most likely right now. It's an opportunity and it's a scenario you should know, all right, if the volume, if the open interest, if the momentum grows. But that is not the case at this moment. At this moment, it's actually more likely that, sure, it might spike up and down and consolidate here. But it's actually most likely that Luna Classic will fall down lower because that is the market structure. The market structure right now, I'm telling you, it can change. But as I'm making this video, and that's the difficult part with these videos, they're very based on when you make them. But the situation right now is as following. Open interest is dropping down. We're making lower highs, making lower lows. We're barely finding support at our strong support levels. So it's most likely that stability will ensue, followed by a drop. All right. That's most likely for Luna Classic right now. There's also no proposals going on right now around Luna Classic, which could pump the price up. So that's most likely. So keep an eye on that volume, all right? If that volume starts increasing, then the chance appears of doing something like this. Until that happens, it will not happen, all right? So those are my thoughts, and that's my analysis. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great Sunday. If you're interested in the things you see at the top there, links for that will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.